Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge HONOR Earbuds X6 properly. So the first method is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And then at the bottom of your charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side we see this LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charged. The second method is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so the only way is to use USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one at the bottom of your charging case. The same LED light, so it also works. The last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge it, let's say, from your phone or another device with USB-A port, and it looks like this. So you just connect USB-C cable to your earbuds, and USB-A cable I'm going to connect it with my PC, but you can use another device. So, and as you can see, the same LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.